Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connections. That prevents false diagnostics. You'll save your work and note the Wi-Fi SSID and password so you can reconnect quickly. Next, power down your client device briefly to clear local network caches. This removes stale IP assignments. Once done, perform a graceful router restart by unplugging power for 30 seconds. Wait, then plug back in. This soft reboot refreshes DHCP tables and clears temporary wireless interference states, which often restores connectivity without deeper changes. You next dive into IP and driver-level fixes because they address persistent configuration issues. On your client, release and renew the IP to force a new DHCP lease. On Mac OS, use Renew DHCP Lease. Then check for and apply driver or firmware updates. Updated code fixes compatibility and security bugs. If interference persists, switch bands or pick a less crowded channel in the router settings. That reduces co-channel collision. Make sure to save changes and reboot the router after firmware or channel updates, so settings take effect. You finish by reconnecting and verifying connectivity, run a quick speed test, or load several sites to confirm stability. If problems remain, back up router settings and consider a factory reset only as a last resort because it erases custom configurations and ISP login data. After a reset, reapply saved settings and update firmware immediately. If still stuck, use one key troubleshooting tip. Compare with another device or a mobile hotspot to isolate whether the ISP or your local network is at fault. This tells you the correct next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.